My name is Dr. Kevin Stewart. I'm a chiropractor and the director at the Lodi Advanced Medical Center. Today we're going to be adjusting a dog. Now, dogs have very, very similar spines as humans do, so it's pretty much the same as adjusting a human. And so I treat a lot of dogs for hip dysplasia, we treat them for blindness, we treat them for all sorts of conditions that help them be healthier just like humans. So we're going to go ahead and start with the cervical region. This is Clifford. He's an Aussie Doodle, very, very active dog. We can adjust with our hands, and we can adjust with this instrument called an activator. We especially want to make sure we look at the hips because they do tend to have hip problems. Certain breeds like German Shepherds. You can see it's quite comfortable and easy for the dog. It's not painful at all. Tip is a little bit off. Being very cooperative. Just turn to the right side for me. I appreciate that. Back over, make sure we didn't miss anything. Okay, so that's everything. We've adjusted it pretty much from head to toe. So he's ready to go. Thank you.